Two kitchens, same size, same layout. One cost $10,000, the other cost $50,000. Cabinets, stock runs $3,000, full custom is $15,000. Countertops, laminate at $1,500 versus quartz slab at $8,000. You feel the difference every time you touch it. Labor is the most variable line. Basic cabinet install is $4,000. Full renovation runs $15,000. The $40,000 gap also lives in the details. On every cabinet, under cabinet lighting, a statement backsplash. Together, they're the difference. Is the premium worth it? Depends on. Staying 10 years, invest in quality. Selling in 2 years, mid-range gets better ROI. The expensive kitchen rarely recoups 100% on resale. At Payless Cabinetry, we build kitchens at every level. Your budget, our expertise. Book your free design consultation and we'll build the right kitchen for your budget.